DJ Joelho.
Calando a boca da concorrência.
Same routine, using all your energy, pushing down your dreams. So life is like a nightmare, so scared you ain't facing the truth. Looking in the mirror, dying dreams from your youth. So ask yourself a question, are you dead or alive? Just because you're breathing, that don't mean you survive. With each second, each minute should be risking your life. Cause your life should be your passion. Forget all those distractions, put your goals into actions. Haters, they like attractions. You gotta believe deep inside, don't hang your head or cry. You fight and strive for peace of mind, and one day you will shine, and all this will make sense one day. You can't win a game if you never play. You can't shine just standing in the shade, okay?
I'm dreaming like every day. I feel alive with everything that I take. You let them slip away. You wanna feel the said I'm dreaming like every day. I feel alive with everything that I take. You let them slip away, yeah.
I'm only saying this because I lived it. I seen people wash away their dreams down the river, and they can't swim, now they can't live. This is real life, don't let it be your life. I've seen talent wasted away by prescription pills. It kill my inner, kill the voice you getting how I feel. I seen alcoholism trampling,